Hello everyone. So the dark skin guy finally comes out of the dark. You're thinking, right? Yeah, this is the video in which I officially introduce myself. My name is Akinyemi, your TG guy. I guess you can say it took me a long while to finally show this face. Cameras have never been my thing. I've always been this shy guy from childhood and not very comfortable in front of a camera. But I figured for me to really make a better impact helping people with their display problems, I had to do this. And I'm glad to be doing it. Thanks to you all 1,000 plus subscribers and others who've made the journey an exciting one. Your comments, likes, critiques, reviews and suggestions have all made me work harder at improving the quality of the content. And I'll endeavor to keep the quality on a steep ascent. Now here's a bit of intro about me. I run a flat panel display repair business, and all that is a result of this childhood fascination with electronics. And now it turns out I find myself doing the part of electronics that I was most interested in, Optoelectronics. I excitedly tell folks that I was about 9 years old when I dissected the first LCD display in its most basic form, a digital wristwatch. As a child, I was so curious, I just had to see what it was composed of. I still recall feeling the liquid on the inside of the separated glasses and wondering what its use was. As a child, I took great pleasure in fiddling with Casio, particularly Casio digital wristwatches. Those people, they had my heart back in the days. They still do, actually. I'd like to say that I come from a background where attention to details is the hallmark of what we do. Grateful, glad for those genes. They've actually made me develop this critical attitude toward my own work. If it doesn't look well made and neat, doesn't look good, I spend more time tweaking until I'm satisfied. And I train myself doing all of that using mostly basic tools. Now, I want to take this moment to ask for comments on what you think about the trajectory of this channel and on what you'd like for me to improve on. If you prefer, you could share personal thoughts via email. You can send to the email address shown on the screen. In any case, I've decided that I'll be doing detailed explanations of tips I've shared in the past, to make all of that more simpler. And I'm taking this time also to announce that I'll be hosting a TV panel repair live stream tutorial session every Saturday at about 2 p.m. West African time. And that is at 1 p.m. GMT, 6:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time, and 8 a.m. Washington time, where I'll be discussing all about displays, starting with the basics. The exact date when I'll begin will be announced in a separate video. Please do not miss it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next cool tip.